So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on M on your keyboard. Now you want to find Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider. Here it is, Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Next, you want to click on V on your keyboard and you want to find Volume Shadow Copy. Double click on it and then do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. For the next command, you want to type in chkdsk c:/f /r, and then click on enter. And now you want to type in y, and then click on enter again. For the next step, we're going to restart our computer, but keep on watching the video. So now I'm going to restart my computer, but keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load. It's now going to start running the scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows, and this should now fix your problem. Another thing you could also try is resetting your CMOS battery, but the steps I just showed you right now should already fix your problem.